So what's up guys, and today in this video we'll be making a UI demo data entry app using UiPath Studio and a little bit of use of Orchestrator. So let's get started. Uh, Only one thing is needed to be done using Orchestrator, so we can say that just 1% of use. So I have opened UiPath Studio and let's wait for its open. Okay, so UiPath Studio is now open, and now let's make a blank process compatibility to Windows. Let the location be. I'll change it to. I think I can put it in my folder. UI demo data entry. Demo data entry, and then let's keep it enters the data into UiDemo.exe. Now I have clicked on create to create the process, and then I will tell you some resources that how to download uidemo.exe and an Excel sheet to fill data within. Sweet. So I have my UiPath open. Now what we can do is I will go to Edge or any other browser of your choice. Search for uidemo.exe, and you will get this GitHub link of WAP, and I will click on this, and here I will get the uidemo.exe, and basically this uidemo.exe and the transactions.xlsx file come when you use RE framework, but we are not using RE framework in this case. So you can even download this whole project if you want to mm, perform the actions in UI demo, not data entry. You can clone this repo and then use. We need to use both of these, uidemo.exe and transactions.xlsx. Click on view raw. It will download that, or just click on download. Then transactions.xlsx, download it. I said to download download file. This is the file that we will be using. Cache in, there are 3 columns: cache in, honest check, and not honest check. I will close this tab as we need to download. They both downloaded. Sweet, they are downloaded. I will go here and first go here, click on in the project panel, click on show in explorer, then cut both of these files. I've pressed control to hold the selection, control X to cut. Come here and paste it. Paste. I think a light was gone for 1 second. Then I will then go here and add in a sequence, or just drag and drop from here. Then we need to read that file. So Excel application scope, drag it over here, and now I will read the file. Basically, Excel application is Excel application scope is a type of activity which opens an Excel workbook of providing you a scope for Excel activities to be done. That can be performed like read range from Excel, write cell, read cell. When this activity ends, the workbook and the Excel application are closed. If the specified file does not exist, a new Excel file is created. Means if like let me refresh. If this file was not created, if I write here transactions.xlsx, then if one was not there, it would be created rather. So I need to read it. I can just copy its name or go to browse for file and select the file. The benefit of for this one is that you can access file from any document simultaneously, like you do for browse for folder. But if you want to do that using text, like in some places there is no browse for folder option, then you need to go there, go to that, and get that file location, copy file location, like something that comes, you need to copy and paste that. Okay, copy as path came. Oh, sorry, that was closed. Let me reopen. Okay, so open min workflow. I will open that up. It was closed by mistake. Sorry, but I have reopened. Then I will use the read range activity to read each and every cell from this Excel sheet. So we need to go to Excel, not this workbook one. We will go to Excel. Then the range would be blank because we need to read each and every cell from this Excel sheet. And like if I open it, so I've got these three columns over here, and we need to get the sheet name, which is sheet one. And what was there? Sheet name, sheet one only. So if your sheet name is changed, then you need to uh, add. You need to fill that name here or update. Then data table would be stored in the every cell read would be stored in a variable in a data table. So that variable I will make from here, control K TT, or transactions. I can name it transactions to make that more relevant. I think it's good. Now I think it's lagging a bit. No problem. It will get its work done in a few seconds. Let me reshare. Okay, transactions. It's now made. Then I will select this activity variables and change its scope to sequence. After that, I will go here and add in a for each activity. First of all, we need to open up the application. So for that, we need open application. I will open UiDemo.exe file, indicate window on screen. I'll get this off here. Select this, and here I need to use type into first one. From where do we get these username and password? So for that, go here and open up cloud.uipath.com. It will open that up fast. Then here we have the these settings in Orchestrator. Go to Orchestrator. This is default created, so you don't want to create it exactly. So I will go to assets, UiDemo cred, edit, and I will enter the username is admin. You can even change it, but the password is what you enter. So I will enter up my password. Sweet. Then close it up. I'll close it up, and the username is admin. What we want to really do is type into this field admin, or the username having, but you can update it from here. We don't need get asset now. We will need it just in 2 minutes. Before this, now we need get credentials, or get credentials. The asset name. Okay, wait a minute. I think I'm not getting there. Okay, sorry. We need to type here secure text. You get secure cat username password. This is here. Cat username password. The credential manager would be in Orchestrator. The asset name was, will come here. Control Shift E to restore the last page opened. I will copy this up this asset name is this. I'll copy it back to UiPath. Asset name without string, you need to paste right now. Okay, so we need to paste it in strings. Great. And I want to go here in credential, this in its properties, out in output section in credential field. I will press Ctrl K and write here cred. Sorry, or they will just copyright. I will come here and I will use type secure text activity. Because the password here can be done using type normal type into, as it's a secure type, and type into just uh, writes the text in a rich format. So indicate element inside window, select this, and here secure text is credentials dot secure text, not secure password. It is the activity for getting the password from that asset. So dot secure password is the method here. After that, if we press enter, nothing happens. So here we need to use click activity. Indicate element inside window, select this one up, this button. Let me type in my username and password, admin, and click it. And here what we can do is, let's do that accordingly and order wise from the starting. We can continue, not this one. 5 delay after would be 5 millisecond. After 5 millisecond, the next activity would be executed. And delay before, like what would be the delay from the previous activity to this activity is 5. And we need to use simulate type. Simulate type really doesn't types of the text, it pastes the text from the source which was told to us, or like here itself any source is given exactly. From source I don't mean any database, orchestrator service, or Excel sheet. This source can be even the properties text, so this is even a source. And same for this, 5 5 5 5 simulate type. And here delay after 5, delay before 5. So for this one there's really cool activity called simulate click, or else the mouse has to go basically there, actually there to be visible on that UI element, and then it should be clicked. But here we don't want that. We want that click should be even done fastly. So we don't want mouse to go there. We really want that it should be done without mouse going there, but the properties are used. So we need simulate click. And now we need type into, again type into. But first we need to have something called for each row in data table, and for each row in, it's lagging I think, dt. Okay, that was transactions, sorry. Now here what this activity does is it is used to perform activity one time given for each row in one data table. So like uh, we want to perform the given activity with each of them with each of the row in a data table or a specified range. So this activity is used to do rather iterating over and copy pasting. This activity is very helpful and time saving. Transactions, and here we need to have assign we need to have 3 assigned values. Assign, or we can use multiple assign. Delete this. Let's first see that what it is. That they let's in this single assign block we can use as many variables, means add them in a single block rather than we need to add multiple assigns. So the variable is, what was the first one? Cash in. Cash in. Delete this because it was case sensitive. Cash in value would be row. We want to get each row data from the column. What was that column? From this we need to get each row data. So cash in is the header. Row in cash in. Cash in. Cash in dot toString, because here it's a data table cell, it's not any string exactly. So add, then uh, which is the argument? Okay, yes, I'm doing on us check. That's the second value to be entered. This one is the name of that column. Okay, I will use the expression editor if it's there. No, it's not there, not there. Yes, it's here. Row honest check dot toString. Okay, and I can first copy this. Okay, add another one. Not on us check. What was the column name? Not on us check. Okay, expression editor, paste, and before on we need to put not on us check. Okay, great. Then we need to have type into. For now, typing in the data, indicate element inside window, uh, cache in. Just selected the UI element, and the value entered would be cache in. And this is not a single element, this would be an array generated for each case because we are using for each. Then we need another type into. Not on honest check, so that would be honest check here. Then we have not honest check. Here we will use not honest check. Any other property should not be selected. Yes, great. After each entry we need to click on accept. Okay, I just forgot that we need to use the simulate type. Simulate 5 5 5 5. Simulate type 5 5. Simulate type 5 5. Simulate type. Great. Let me check the second last activity. This one. Yes, it was done. After that, after each filling we need to click on accept. So we will use click activity. What was done? Like click indicate element inside window. Not on a check. I'll select. Sorry, I will indicate on inside the screen this accept button. Now I will close this, and now let's run and sit back and relax. Okay, process started. Opens up UiDemo. Done. Fills the data. Click on accept. Oh, okay. No problem. Now I understand what is happening. The place where the accept button used to be, my my god, I just got shut up. Just I want to close it, man. Just Alt F4. That's the only way I had. So what it is doing is the place where it's trying to click on accept, but there it was too low on the place. So now we can pull that up a little bit, and I will get that up. Okay, it's compiling the activities. Wait. Now I forgot to click on simulate click. That's why it was irritating me to not letting the mouse go there. Yes, it's filling the data. You can see that's very fast in this case. Wait a second. I think not honest check was not like simulate clicked. Simulate typed. Okay, not honest check. Okay. Oh, it was not done. That's why it was performing a very little bit slower. Now we can sit back and relax. But first we need to get out of the for each train data table, and we need to close the window. Target is window. First of all, shift F2 to mute that for some time. Now I will select this window to because that's not the that needs to be closed. Okay, let's wait for some time. Starts the process, opens up UiDemo, fills the credentials. Very great. It's just running like charm, very fast. Okay, so this is it for this project, and let me show you that it could not load this as we closed that before time because data is too much to load. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes, and we can just sit here for some time. So and it doesn't even gets us like we don't come to know that when to unpause or resume the video or pause when like that. So I just close that manually. I had to close that, but if you are doing a CRM work which needs to be completed, then you don't have to close it. You if you close, the process will end in between. So I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Till then, you can watch our previous video on sending dynamic emails. So okay, tata, see you.